In this video, I will tell you how to show hidden folders and hidden files in Windows because many important folders are invisible by default and a lot of tutorials require you to access them. First, open File Explorer and go to any folder on your computer. At the top of the window, click the View tab. After that, click Show and then select Hidden Items from the list. Once Hidden Items is enabled, you will see a check mark next to the option, which means hidden files and folders are now visible on your system. You may notice that some folders look slightly transparent compared to normal ones, and that is completely normal because Windows uses that effect to show they were originally hidden. This feature is very useful when you need to access folders like app data, program data, or other system-related locations that are hidden by default. Just remember to be careful when editing or deleting files inside hidden folders because some of them are important for Windows or installed programs to work correctly. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.